Okay, so let me give you one question, and then what you have to do is you have to tell me expected utility, or basically I'll also ask you to compare two lotteries, basically compare two lotteries for that particular person. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, now that this definition is clear, we can go ahead and do this. Okay, so suppose we have small u. Okay, so this is a Bernoulli utility function, and it is given by min of x comma 100. Okay, so that's the utility function. Okay, and suppose the lottery is this. So basically, I'm going to roll a dice. Okay, so that's that. So I'm explaining the lottery. Okay, I'm going to roll a dice. Okay, so experiment is rolling a dice. Okay, so if you observe a multiple of 3, okay, then you get 300. Okay, so multiple of 3. Okay, if you observe any of this, then you get 300. Otherwise you get 0. Is that okay? Fine. And another lottery is this. If you get a multiple of 2, okay, you get 200. Basically that's the amount that you're going to get. Okay, and otherwise you're going to get 0. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to figure out the expected value of these lotteries. Expected value of these lotteries. And then you have to figure out the expected utility of these lotteries. And then you have to tell me among the two lotteries, which lottery is preferred by this particular consumer whose utility function is min x comma 100. Is the question clear?
Yes.
Do it. Okay, so expected value is expected value. So let's call this random variable x. Call this random variable y. Okay, expected value of x is, so there is a 1/3 probability that you're going to get 300. There is a 2/3 probability that you're going to get 0. So that's 100. Expected value y is, with half probability you're going to get 200. With half probability you're going to get 0. Okay, that's also 100. Now let's figure out the expected. 1/3 into u of 300 is 100. Okay, plus 2/3 into u of 0 is 0, which is 100 by 3. Okay, and expected utility from y is half u200, which is 100, 0, which is 50. Yeah, so even though the expected value of the two lotteries is the same, but expected utility associated with the two lotteries can be different, as we have seen over here. Okay, so basically this particular individual, if given a choice between these two lotteries, will prefer y over x.